Hello everyone, myself Anuj Chhabra. Till now many things related to plants we have already learnt. Now today I am here to discuss a few very basic things about the plants, its seeds, a journey, you can say a journey of a seed to seed. So many of us very minor mistakes we do while nurturing our plant. So today I'll be just telling you different stages of a plant where what care should be taken and how to deal with that thing. Okay, now the very first thing is the seeds. Okay, so when we take a seed, make sure that depending on the size of the seed and the thickness of its outer cover, we have to give it a treatment. Suppose the outer shell is little on a thicker side, we have to soak it overnight, else directly we can sow the seeds. Now suppose we are using a seed tray, then fill the seed tray with the coco peat, insert your seed whichever is there, press it little, cover it little and just keep it covered for 2 days. This is a very first stage of a seed. A new shoot is going to come out of that seed. So this is kind of a you can say incubator for a seed. So once you see the sprouting has happened, after a couple of days we can remove this and we can shift it to a place where it is indirect sunlight is there. Now many of us we are so excited when our shoots have come out to transplant it. So make sure whenever the 4 leaves are there in any of the sapling, that is the right time to transplant your baby. Now never pull your sapling from here, because this is the food and water pipe of the plant is there, which might get ruptured when we transplant it from here. So make sure you tap it from the back, reverse it and then take out your plant gently. Now till this stage, whatever nutrition was given in the form of compost or soil mix, it is sufficient for the plant. Now this baby is going to face a new world. So the requirements definitely has to be different. One major mistake what we do, as soon as we take out the sapling from this stage, we transplant it to such a big pot. Okay. Now this is the major mistake, because the plant is not ready for such a huge atmosphere. It was there either in this pot or in this pot. So make sure the plant should become at least this size if you want such a big pot. Gradually you change the pot, otherwise it becomes very difficult for the pot, for the plant to adjust to the atmosphere. Now when the plant is transplanted in any of the grow bag, when it is quite big, definitely the requirements are more. The plant is in its young age, it needs more of nutrition, more of everything. So the main concentration of ours is in making the plant look healthy. So how the plant is going to look healthy? We have to monitor it regularly. We have to give fertilizers, we have to give nutrition, let it be in the form of liquid fertilizers or the compost or whatever we generally give it to the plant. Make sure the regular monitoring so that the plant is safe. In this stage, 3 main things we have to take. First is the care. Now care what we are doing? By giving the fertilizing or the additional nutrition. Secondly, at this stage, as the plant is in the well growth, it needs support. Support in the sense, some plant their main stem is little delicate, thin, so that needs a support. So support can be given either in the form of you can say stakes or twine, something. So this is the stage where care has to be given in the form of support. If proper support is given, so the plant can concentrate on its flowering and fruiting. Else it will be delicate, little storm or little heavy wind, the plant may get affected. So till here the plant we have taken care really nicely. It's healthy, the growth is good, no infections, no pest attack, nothing is there. Now when proper support, care, everything has been given, one more thing we have to take care is it has to be protected. Protected by which things? It has to be protected by pests, insects. So that has to be done either in the form of whatever pest repellents we have made or regular monitoring. If that is done, now our plant is really ready and healthy and it is reached to a maturity stage. Now what will happen once the plant has reached the maturity stage, we expect the plant to bear flowers. So when we expect our plant to bear flowers, definitely the plant also expects some things from us. Now in this stage, the requirement of the plant is definitely different from what it was here. So we have to make sure now the plant is, the hormone changes are there, different requirements are there because the stage of flowering has come. So the nutritional requirement of the plant is different. So all individually you have to understand which plant at its flowering stage what nutrition has to be given. But make sure that only the nutritional additional requirement what it is needed, in that the earlier requirement whatever it was there, that has to be there because the plant has to be healthy, and in addition to that it is started bearing flowers. Now when the plant starts bearing flowers, what is the additional care we have to give? Apart from the nutrition what we are giving, we have to make sure that the pollination is happening really nicely. Some of the vegetables what we grow, they have in the single flower only they have male and female part. In some the male flowers are different, the female flowers are different. So we have to be very particular which kind of a plant we are growing and what are its requirement. Now for any of the kind of the flowers the plant is bearing, pollination is must. Now pollination nowadays, because of this urban atmosphere, you can say so much construction is happening, so insects, bees, they are really very less, or even if it is there, the chances of pollination happening, it's to some extent it's not possible. So to attract pollinators we have to have some things attached to our plants, so that we can do it by having floral plants, so which can attract pollinators, and we can have herbs and aromatic plants which can repel insects. Our focus is not killing the pest, our focus is repelling the pest and attracting the pollinators. Now our plant has reached a stage where it is bearing flowers, and we have given the pollinators, attraction for the pollinators, and we are happy that few flowers have converted into fruits. So now here you can see, now few flowers after the pollination they have converted into fruits. So now every stage I have taken different plant because this is general, I am talking about, this cycle is for all the plants. Okay, so now the plant is already ready with the fruit. Now what is next? This is its life cycle. Now it was expected to bear fruit, now it has already started giving fruits. Now the next step is to harvest the fruit, or we have to save these fruits for the next time sowing. So that is, we have to save the seeds. So now this time also the plant care has to be the same what we were taking till now. Still more care we have to take, otherwise till the fruits whatever we have got, the quality won't be good, the quantity won't be good. So we have to take a continuous care till the plant we harvest our seeds. Now while harvesting the seeds we have to see whichever fruit is the best in that plant. If the quality of the vegetable or the fruit what we are saving is not good for saving seeds, definitely the next time when we are going to save or sow those seeds, the fruit content or the quality of that vegetable will not be good. So make sure whenever your plant bear any fruits, so you see the quality, the one which you want to save it for the seeds has to be really good in size, looks good, and it should be infected, no infection should be there on that particular fruit. So now from this now the process of how to collect the seed. The fruit is ready, now how the process is there for different vegetable, different methods are there to store the seeds. So this is an entire cycle of a seed which goes through different stages of its life cycle, same like how our kids from the baby till the maturity stage, how different stages are there. So we have to take care depending on the stage they are. Sometimes we buy the plant and immediately the expectation is so much from the plant. In that expectation we forget that the plant also needs something in return from us. So if a regular monitoring, regular caring, and according to their age, if we are giving them the proper nutrition and care, so I don't think so it will be a really difficult task for anybody to grow vegetables. Make sure that all the different vegetables have different requirements. That definitely will be covering one by one specifically with that vegetable. But in general, from the seed to the seed, the journey is same for all the vegetables, and our personal care is very much required. If we are buying some plants and we are depending on our helpers or somebody's help to take care of the plants, so that's not going to work. There has to be a direct connection of us with the plant. Many of the things the plant convey to us, might be it's the yellowing of the leaves, the falling of the leaves, falling of the fruit or the flower, or the fruits are getting earlier matured and before the right time has come. So many things are there which we have to personally monitor the plant to know the exact cause why this is happening. So make sure when you are joining me in this journey, each and every step is clear. Anything, whichever, whenever you have doubt, please comment and let me know. And from now onwards, we are starting all our vegetable journey. So thank you for joining me. Have a nice day.